Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all having an awesome day. You probably notice AI is everywhere these days, right? I mean every tech company is all about that AI life. So in today's video we are checking out the coolest websites that are totally riding the AI wave. We are talking about the top 5 sites that use artificial intelligence to make things more interesting, fun and just plain cool. So let's dive in and check out these amazing websites. Number 1 in this list is a magical tool that brings old photos back to life in full color, Pallet FM. Pallet uses powerful AI to colorize your photos with stunning accuracy and artistic flair. So how does it work? Super easy. Just upload your image, choose from a variety of presets and voila, Pallet works its magic. But it doesn't stop there. You can edit individual colors using keywords, explore different filters and even fine-tune the mood with subtle adjustments. Whether you want a realistic feel or a vintage vibe, Pallet puts you in control. And guess what? It's not just for old photos. You can colorize your modern snaps too. Imagine adding a pop of color to a black and white portrait or transforming a landscape into a breathtaking masterpiece. So are you ready to unleash the magic of AI to colorize your old black and white photos? Head over to pallet.fm. Number 2 on this list is Magic Eraser. This awesome website brought to you by Magic Studio uses powerful AI to effortlessly remove anything you don't want from your photos. The process is very simple. Just upload your image and select the elements you wish to remove from your photos using the brush tool. You can adjust its size using the slider and once you are happy, hit erase and that's it. The AI analyzes the image and not only removes the unwanted object but also fills the area with the information around the object, giving you a clean image free from any kind of artifact. But it doesn't stop there. This isn't just a basic object eraser. You can also remove unwanted people, distracting tags, logos, unwanted watermarks or anything else that takes away from your picture's perfection. So head over to magiceraser.ai and check it out for yourself. Number 3 in this list is Upscale.media. Upscale is a powerful AI image upscaler that can enhance the resolution of your image up to 4 times. And the best part is super easy to use. Simply drag and drop your image, choose your desired quality level and AI is going to do the rest. This AI network analyzes the low resolution image, recognizing the patterns and textures. Think of it like filling in a paint by numbers. The AI fills the gap between existing pixels, inventing new details that match the surrounding information. It's like having a tiny artist carefully adding missing brush strokes. The result, as you can see, a dramatically sharper, clearer image with improved resolution up to 4 times the original image. The AI model even reduces the noise and artifacts, making your photos look professionally enhanced. Whether you're a photographer, designer or just someone who wants to share better looking photos, Upscale.media is your secret weapon. So go ahead and give it a try. Number 4 on our list is Brandmark.io. Brandmark is an amazing tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate brand names and logos for your business. The process is really simple. Just enter your business name, a short description and some keywords that best describe your brand. Then select your preferred color palette and that's it. The website will use this information to generate some truly cool logos for you, as you can see on your screen. If you like a logo, you can further customize it with additional AI generated color combination that suits your taste. The website also lets you change the fonts and icons to best represent your business. These icons are generated using the keywords you entered earlier, saving you a ton of time on deciding which icons to use with your business name. And that's not all. You can further customize the logo using the different layouts and various other parameters. So head over to brandmark.io and give your business a new cool logo. Number 5 on our list is Invidio.io. Invidio is a text-to-video generation website that uses artificial intelligence to generate a video up to 15 minutes long for any given topic. All you have to do is select what kind of video you want to create. You have the option to select from a YouTube explainer video, shorts, TikTok or even Instagram Reels. Then provide the prompt about the video. Remember, the more specific you are, the better the video will be. Once you are happy with the prompt, click on Generate a Video. The process is simple. The AI generates the script, adds video clips and voiceovers, subtitles, background music, as well as the transitions. You can preview the video and make changes to any specific point that you like. If you are happy with the video, you can export it. The free version of Invidio includes a watermark, but you can also pay to remove it. There you have it, our top 5 websites harnessing the power of AI. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content on the latest in AI and technology. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Which AI powered website impressed you the most? Stay connected for future updates. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.